Before we dig too deep in the nitty-gritty of body language tips in the workplace, we need to step back for a minute and just look at the big picture. What are we trying to do here? The goal is not to have body language that makes people think we are powerful. The goal is not to have body language that turns every head when you walk into a room as super charismatic. That's a bunch of hokum. Here's our goal. We want to come across comfortable, confident, relaxed in our own skin to make other people we work with comfortable with us so they can talk to us, want to deal with us, want to work with us, want to collaborate with us. That's the ultimate goal. We want our body language to suggest to people, hey, I'm not focused on me, look at me, I'm nervous, I'm scared, or I'm wonderful, I'm great. We want our body language to suggest, I'm here to focus on helping you. How can I help you? Whether I'm working with you one-on-one, sitting down in a conference room or an office, or standing up giving a presentation. You want your body language to suggest that you're not even thinking about yourself. You're focused on working with your colleagues, building something better, helping clients, helping prospects, helping customers. If people are looking at you and in their gut they feel like, this person's really trying to help me, that's all that really matters. They'll forgive you if you scratch your face or you fidget for a second or you say an or a or your voice goes up a minute or cry. They'll forgive all of that if they feel like you are comfortable in your own skin, that you're not nervous and that you're here focused on them. On the other hand, you can be perfect with every aspect of your posture and not touching your face distractingly, not playing with your ring finger. All that could be perfect. But if people you're working with, people you're speaking to, feel like you're thinking about me, how do I look? How am I coming across? They're not going to like you and they're not going to want to work with you. So with everything we do, please keep that in the back of your mind at all times.